Hi everyone, today I just thought I would show you something you can do with scrap paper at home that you may have done when you were in primary school or may never have done. So today I was guillotining some of my, it was a calendar actually, that I have some beautiful quotes from, and of course I'm going to laminate them and put them in my classroom, as some of you know me. So I ended up with all this scrap paper and I thought, what can I do? I can do some weaving. So if you haven't done it before, there's lots of maths involved in this, of course. So you decide on a pattern, I guess. That's mathematics, that's a pattern. And so this is my base. And then these are my other bits, so they're all different shades of green. So I'm going to start with dark and then move my way through. So weaving is just over, under, over, I'm a bit messy, under, whoops, I got everything over. That's all right. Under, over, under, over. And then it gets better because as you put the next one in, you're going to go under, over, under, over, under. Leave out the way scissors. And so you tighten it up. And so I'll just put the next one in. I'll show you how you can tighten it up if I get there. Right. And so then you kind of just push them all together so it's nice and tight, and it makes a nice tight weave. And you know, this can become a placemat or a wall hanging or something like that. So I'll show you, I'll finish the video off when I'm finished and you'll see how great it is. So it's halfway through and it's looking pretty good. And what I realized was that if you actually just go, you know, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under at the bottom and then push it up, it's much easier. Okay, so now I've got all my scrap papers into a weave and it's really messy at the ends. And what you'll find is that the end ones can be a little bit loose. So we're going to have to need to use some sticky tape, and we're going to straighten it up and make it nice and neat using scissors. And so now I've finished my weave and it's all stuck together on the back, which you probably can't see, and you can see the shininess there, but it won't fall apart. Mine's not really very good. I probably wouldn't use it as a wall hanging, but if you've got nicer paper, you might make something for Mother's Day perhaps. That might be a nice idea. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the weaving with recyclable paper, so you know, be environmentally conscious, and I look forward to other people making videos of things that they can do. So that'd be great. Thank you.